Welcome back to the channel. Today the parts come in from Rayco to fix the stump grinder. So he came in pretty quick and we're putting the belts back on. So I got some new belts from Napa. We're gonna try these on, put these on. So if you need a replacement belt, there you go.
No remote. Now see if you'll squeak.
Man, that's pretty tight right there, buddy. I like it. Looks good with the belts. Looks fancy. Guys, Scotty's knees hurting him. He's a little slow today. He's like a little turtle. I figure if I hit him in the other leg, it'd make it feel better.
I'd kill you. I'd kill you.
You'll kill me.
Yeah.
It'll make you feel better.
No.
It take the thoughts away from that one and put it back on with that one. Mm-hmm. Oh. So we got to tighten these bolts up right down here on the bottom of the radiator. The next thing, and then we'll bolt these two sides up and then bolt that up. That'll be in good shape. And then hook the two hoses up on each side. You know, when I was growing up, my dad was he had a body shop.
Yeah.
And the one thing he didn't like is grease. He couldn't stand it to be around grease. I mean, you know, doing body work and all that. He couldn't handle it. Hold on. Okay.
I'm gonna tighten the bar a little bit now.
Yep. Alright, don't go crazy with it.
It's tight.
Now we bolt up, put the bolts back in it right here.
You having problems too. Where's your red? You didn't look like that one yet.
These little caps, man, these plugs, they come in handy.
I got that. circulating there now, by the way.
Yeah, buddy. Top the hydraulic fluid off and we'll be in good shape. Ready to go grind some stumps. Maybe this afternoon, I don't know. Hey guys, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.